desktop. If you're stuck with the escape from Tarkov Cannot Find Uninstall.exe Error on Windows 11, you're in the right place for an immediate fix. This specific error blocks proper uninstallation, but we're going to clear it right now. First, we need to locate any leftover installer files. Often the uninstall executable is still present but hidden, so search your Tarkov installation directory thoroughly, and if you find it, run it as administrator. If that doesn't work, the Windows Program Install and Uninstall Troubleshooter is your next best bet. It's designed to fix installation and uninstallation problems automatically. Should those steps fail, we'll perform a clean boot environment to eliminate any conflicting background programs that might be interfering with the uninstall process. Finally, for a complete resolution, we'll carefully navigate the Windows registry to remove any residual Tarkov entries, ensuring a truly clean slate for your system.